if you're hungry, truth I go feed you. And if you job, truth I go take you up. Yeah, man, I know that. I know that. So I come on the platform to embrace you and to make you know that. Say, we are here with you. Not every one of your soldiers they are going to see, you know. Soldier go the enemy line 4 times spear point at you. Him cut off that and then give you in thumbs and then give a hand signal. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And sorry, them, man. It's not you alone, man. There is more with you than with them. Remember me tell you that I'm going to repeat it. There is more with you than them. Because if we say equal rights and justice and a fish for me and a fish for you, I don't see why a man would hide and I do them nastiness there. And when we come publicly and we say, how can you highlight a thing we're bad and a thing we're good? Can't say nothing. We can't bring that man. Man to man can't bring no youth, man. No man and woman I peer, brother. No man is no peer. No two man is no peer, brother.
Mama and Papa straight, brother.
So we go stand. Yeah, man, Mama and Papa straight, brother.
You wanna see? Alright, we show
you. Man.
You don't see all the words.
Give thanks, man. I hear that. Give thanks for that talk, man.
Yes, man, me have to talk to you, me dream. Yo, we rate your training, but I work me upon and you just give me a platform to talk if I have my 2 minutes. And me I go say, even when me come off of this, me I meds you. And my heart goes out for you, and my heart I say, yo, protection for your mouth. Keep gash the fire for burn the garbage every day. So big up yourself until we link again, because we have Galchester in a Jamaica, yeah. I do some work. So carry on, yeah, Miko. You're big up yourself.
That's not far.
All right.
Bro, man, just keep up the good work, go, man. And everybody go like your platform, you know, because you speak positivity.
Good, bro, man.
Yeah, man, that's big up yourself, man, go, man. I really, man.
You know, more time, I tell you, bro. But so you don't know a righteousness. That's why I can't give up, because you want a righteousness we are fighting for.
Yeah, righteousness, my brother.
Shalom. Greetings, teacher. Shalom. Great ball of fire.
Shalom.
Greetings, my lord. You don't know me there in the UK, my lord. I tell you, say, I love you. Don't burn them. You understand? In the UK, I need you, brother. Remember me tell you.
Yeah.
Over here, come down.
40 day and 40 night to them, Shalam, man. Burn them.
Yeah, man. Serious, bro.
Yeah, man. Hold them, grip, man. Hold them.
Yeah, man. Give a thanks, my brother, man.
I don't know, fines, nothing, man. Rainess, man.
Freaks speak freely. Some I want to talk about free speech. I don't know free speech or freak speech. Both freely.
I know me not think more. Right now, me not think more and get no youth in this world right now because too much thing are going, bro. Too much influence.
You see, Guru, they make you them get scared, bro.
My lad, you can't so selfish for you. Guess what? Yes, when you're solid. Yes, when you stand up like a pillar of righteousness in your youth them life. See? No guy can't come tell them no folly, my lad. Because right now, me have a 5 and a 8-year-old youth. And when them man they go to school in a guidance council and them teach them the UK corruption and them tell them, say, no, my daddy say no. I call them up, he call me down at school. You understand? And me go pick them up and carry them, come at the safety of them yard and big them up and tell them, say, yes, you do the right thing. You understand? So it's like how man a bunny fire and stand up for the right thing, my lad. You have to do the same thing in your yard for your youth.
Hold on, them say take a village to raise a child. Me not see that again because you have a youth yourself. And you go in the right way and you go out into the world and go get influenced by foolishness.
My lad, create my own village. I'm sure you how me intentional with my thing. You see my youth them not watch live television. You see my youth them, you see when at them birthday party and them thing there, and people me know say have similar values. We are bring around them little daughter, bring around my little nephew and niece, them we are forward. Them can tell them, say no mama, this wrong. No papa, this wrong. And them are going to listen and take guidance. And the parents, them are follow suit to the said one mind, my lad. So you see if you look around you, and you see everybody far from reality like a natural black say, my lad, you're going to have some people they far. But you see if you know them they far, you make you them know say, you chat on phone and you link up. And so you go link up Uncle Nick or we go link up Uncle Shalam. Then the vibes is right and we know say, if I even once a year, we look forward to this link up once a year. You understand? Be direct with the youth them, my lad. If I even keep them in the yard and engage them fire. 16, but you can't selfishly say you don't want no youth, my lad. No.
Me never say me no want none, you know. Me never say something to him still. Cause you know, say no want none, it's afraid. But me want to say something, bro. You know? Break it down. Yeah. You know the reason why you're there, sir, to manifest. I'm populated here. I don't know the reason why Almighty put me, my brother. I keep me running, keep forward. We always kill civilization. Kill Mother Earth. True, man. I listen to you, man, Shalam. I didn't say I don't want none, you know. I say I don't think, true, the world has gone to the dogs.
Yes, my lad. But you see, you're right, woman, how come here with my lad? For trust and believe. You see, right, woman? That's all you need.
Real vibes, man. But you know, you're right, man, now go come. Don't tell him no foolishness either.
Yo, never say never, bro. Right. Never say never, brother.
This is what I say now. Give me a minute. Yes, if you're pulling the right man, you have to be right, man. The right answers, you have to ask the right questions. So you have to be a representation of what you want. Yourself. So, and then you pull that in. No man go see you, them have the same desires there. Then still love real man around you.
Right.
You have to be that representative. You can't want lifestyle and shit in a plate. You can't want the best in your words. I don't know how man them too. Boy them too, yeah man? Yeah, because you have to man up, bro. So you man is a 10 woman go cling to one man around here, you know. And you still look for one good woman, you know. And 10 good woman go cling to one man. Why? Because it has to balance.
Yeah, man, tell them, Shalam.
Real thing, man.
Real talk, Shalam.
If you don't want real, bro, start be real. Start being yourself, be real, you know. And first thing that you have to start. This is the start. Stop, you want real, girl. Yeah, all you're going to do is she real. You're not going to do it. Real thing you talk, Shalam, man. Real thing. Start live real from and do real things, man. Live right. Not, you be real to you and if you don't know you put in the Bible, everything in the Bible, because the Bible only, you know, but you write them down in a blood clot, so you can fuck the words. And they go food and language. Speaking of code. Yeah,
The first time I talked to one of my brethren about something like that in a Shalam. Because him to go in a rehab, you know, and then give him all the money, you know, and then eat up money, say him go in a rehab and him and man fit in a room and one bag of thing and rare. And I look at him and tell him, say, yo, king, you want me? Rehab now going to help you. The doctor them now going to help you. The first help where you have to see is within the eye self.
Yes, I.
And you have to help yourself first, brother.
Nobody.
If you don't make no effort, you not going to work no matter what you do, brother.
True. Nobody, bro. You are the Almighty. You have to carry to the Almighty. That's why man say leave all vengeance to him.
Yes. And work by yourself, brother. Leave all vengeance to the Most High and wait and work by yourself, bro. Because if you can't deal with self, you can't deal with others. I will Shalam and make you know. You see, deal with self,
That's why sometimes we can't deal with you. Can't deal with hearing back and them know because we still don't know ourselves. You can't father you. You have a blame another man to father you. You have a problem then that you that coming up from, but you don't believe it or not. You that comes from them. You are not that people. You are one, you that see on world of band. So you have to be with yourself, both male and female. You see, it's easier for a man still, because a man can find himself and a woman to swing their face and get enough face and stand up. And just by, just synchronize. For a woman adapted, like them have a portal, like them have a carrier.
Yeah, man.
That then wild and loose shit in them. If then they will lose thing, then I'm not care how big or what he is them do.
Yeah, man, you have to stay far from the social media clap with them.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Soon delete this to that, because be a foolish, me see all big dance artists, all a feature Batman in a tune. See this is, John Bishop in a tune. Be a thing, bro. Yeah, my brother Jerome, come back.
Yeah, man. Yo, listen to me, man. Most men nowadays don't love themselves.
True.
You know what I say? Them love the idea of having somebody loving them. You know what I say?
Yeah.
No, that I think them love the idea of somebody loving them. So
Listen to 11.
when they don't get that love validation, them get hurt.
Yeah.
But when, and me not enter BS something what me have to learn for myself, you know, cause it did affect me wicked. Cause when a girl never love me, I wonder why a girl never love me, but me realize after, say yo, me never love myself. Is that what I say?
That dwell in her mind, a major in her mind at them time the fire.
Yeah, so it's when you find self-love, nobody can hurt you, you know.
Yeah, man.
Nobody can hurt you when you find self-love, you know, brother.
Yeah, can you find out you can be with self and have a happy day, a happy night, a happy week, a happy month, a happy year, a happy lifetime.
Yes, because guess what? It's when somebody are gonna come in your life and you realize that person and I mean you no good. You cut that person with ease, you know, because you have self-love. And you say that person and I mean you no good. So self-love is the greatest. Is what I say? You know the I them are probably Christian and you know Guru Rasam is a Muslim, is what I say?
Salam.
And when
More than one woman you have to follow.
What do you mean by? Hey, Jerome.
Zero, me a Muslim, me have more than one woman.
no man, no, I'm telling you something, you know. What you say? Me is a man, you know. It's not about having one woman or nothing, you know. It's about, as I say, self-love, self-contained. Suppose me not feel like me can manage more than one woman.
So,
Is that me I say?
You take control and stoicism to manage more than one woman for you.
Is that me? Because you know what, go take up stress on yourself, you know. Imagine go take up too stress on yourself.
Hold on. Zero.
Me's a woman. Nobody is a trans. Me's a very nice woman. No think me's a transgender.
No transmission.
Transmission, not trans.
Anything we want near me's a woman. Look for my body right there, so and look for my profile, Shalam.
Salam, no,
Me have
check.
No, we can't take the check in the Empress. Because you see, them will try and do anything at all. Come
Go
this
look
track.
for Mbati.
Rasta, you understand? And we
see,
know what
alright.
right now, Empress. A different reasoning.
Man, when you go come and go say, look for my body right there. So you corrupt the thing there, so. We love the woman and we love you, no. But
Yeah.
guess what? You see, that one thing which you have to cover up and make, you see what's beneath that cover is gold.
Yeah, man. Modesty, man. Modesty motivate me, my lad. Cause you see when me know say this Empress, when she have on her gown or whatever she wear, I'm go so boom and see her and me give her two talk and she give me a nice speech and you know, and me see her levels, my lad. You see when a woman like that and robe for your brother, it's completely different from when you go to the club and you just draw away one, you know, or you just pick up one car, you know.
Yeah.
Trust and believe me, you know.
Not afraid of the club thing, boy, a whole heap of transmission there, boy.
Yeah, it mash up your ear.
Whole heap of transmission there, boy.
I man not eat pork, I man not drink alcohol, you know, so I man not go in a
Hold
club.
on,
you know,
let me hear a Guru say. Guru, let me hear a Guru say.
Shalam.
Eh?
You tell me how it called the transmission they figure out. Shalam 17. Let me tell you.
We are dealing no bad, Guru.
Yeah, man. Me there, bro. Me try. Let me play. Me there, man. Just give me a second. Let me tell you what the transmission they figure out. I can't do idea about me. Me kind of know one joke mode. The transmission they figure out say the man they don't want no pussy. And like it's like when man them say they don't want no girl unless they so good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you see, no find man, they really get no pussy when they got like go God certain place, you know, when transmission go on the motor, you know, when they go, you a transmission they put on the head. The hybrid head.
Salam.
Oh, fuck, hey.
Laugh, but it's serious, brother.
I really think, bro, that's
Like a
what I'm
warm-up,
saying, bro.
Laugh, but it's serious, bro.
That thing that the head is the machine and the pussy and the eyelash and the makeup, and you can't tell me say man a blood clot hybrid.
Fully hybrid.
The man they no want up. The man they no talk about pussy first. Heads.
Heads.
Parking lot. Heads. Heads in a beamer. Heads in a green. Heads on the alley. Be a transmission.
I use some set of man will get grown up wicked at Jamaica. One set of man don't want set apart. You see man in a White River. The bamboo rafting thing with them rub up the skin.
Yes.
Mud, funny thing, yeah.
Yes.
The man there.
You see a motherfucker can't do that scandal, man. One time, but
The scandal, man, shut up.
Me no go for the rafting. Me no do rafting.
Guru, I want
Yeah, man, say, yo, get a scandal, man.
I want a transmission come down there now.
Yeah, man, I want for them forward, for real. And don't have the Nizim them.
Yeah,
Don't have the Nizim hotel them. Yes, man. A transmission center.
when I transmission, I say, one day if you will be doing this, if you know that I was born a man.
I would have.
What?
Oh,
Yeah, when my machete go through that, brother, I think I can't me a cut.
you cannot say a word, gone.
rub him down. Rub down.
Yeah, you know what? I put the what they call us, you know, the mud thing on him.
Limestone.
The mineral sitting, yeah.
What do you put for the people there? What do you put for the
Limestone.
Mud, man, are the lime is like a clear with limestone.
Clear out of the riverbank. That clear out of the riverbank.
We know if we make money, you know. Some mud them and sell mud. They use mud.
Yeah, you don't say. One day we be doing this, if he was born a man.
Can't believe.
A serious thing still, you know, that's why I see me as a youth, you hear me?
Culture fuck up, Shalam.
Come and open the door right now.
Rastafari, that go hard for them type of thing that go hard to catch me, because them job they don't entice me, I swear. Yeah, woman in my yard, I don't know.
None of them sit there can't catch me. Me here.
My lad, me in England, you know, me not even go a pub, you know, me not go a bar.
Who says
Me no go
so? I
out.
hear me.
Me go a work and forward and me.
Oi, me go a Red Bull Sound Clash. Me go a Boom Sunday. And me go all that big event, man. Since they rush me, I'm going to take a to Bumbo class with a trouble. Just believe me. My dad, we can't go a party for 2020, and right now, me vote at top. Me not going to tell you that Bumbo class.
Yeah, let me tell you now. Let me tell you something. Me there America me live. And when me tell you, say, nowadays you can't know if you don't know. Me ask you bird paper, more bird paper, more pick the picture, because if you don't know, you're not gonna know.
Yeah.
Me make a rule say if I know one woman will directly have pick me no want her. If she don't birth a child, me no want her because
Me have my woman already, I don't know about nobody else on the life, but me have my woman. I'm sure that she have one.
Our family full of skeptic with them.
You see, our day, me there one place. I'm there one. So hey, that because I'm there the part. One of them are put.
Yeah.
You retire, the man got fired. But right now, man hungry up. Right now, you see, carnivals. But the man they hungry and carnivals right now. My boy say is a head him and get and grab the crack. Grab the crack.
Shalam, wrong. Come
I don't
down.
know. It does. Right now, just imagine you are treat man in the world. Just imagine. Just get to the man and give me the word right now. That the man, if anything with the transmission, I did him. We beat up couple of them, man go our place and beat us and beat him up. You tell them. Once their head him and get and dig the blood clear catches. And I said, you know, a tea party if I don't get a bomb back like
nah, I'm going to our story, man.
Yeah, man, enough man, we're gonna find get caught tonight and then get.
Yeah, you know this Jamaican, I live at New Jersey, man. Meet this thing, I'm married it, man. I wonder how he can breathe in. I'm breathing, you know, man. And one day, it's it now one friend, you know?
well, that's easy now.
Eh?
I'm too fast. Yeah, pussy.
You don't know, so then got Taiwan go do that sitting to man.
Yo, then go create the good my lad. Then go convert the good to a
man.
good.
That's true.
Yeah.
Them I get subversive. Them I get subversive, brother.
Yeah, man, them a do surgery, man, and
Man,
a
I
take
tell you,
out,
say,
man.
if the thing now have a pitney and a one woman, you want to know say I know adapt, she adapt. You want to know say birth, she birth it.
Boy, that's why I'm glad me no young again, yeah, sir.